Hey everyone. It is now 2 weeks since I have come back to YouTube and trying to revamp it. It's been an interesting 2 weeks because although I have been trying to get 2 to 3 videos up weekly, I'm also having to work through my family business. I've had some ups and downs just personally, and still at this frustrational level as to how I'm going to get this channel revived, but not just revived, but redone. Working on trying to figure out how to niche down it, coming out of my comfort zone, and I just don't know how I'm going to make it happen. I got re-inspired to come back after about a 2-year hiatus, and like I mentioned before, this channel's been going since 2010. I thought it was 2009, but it's 2010. So I am now looking at my analytics, and in the 2 weeks I have posted, I guess, maybe 4. This is going to be my 5th video. And according to YouTube, I wish I could flip the camera, but you're supposed to have, I don't know if you guys are studying your analytics or whatever, but I've had my channel for 14 years and I never knew all this stuff. But yeah, I can't flip the video, so I'll have to figure out how to share with you a different way. I am learning how to use this technology as far as recording with my phone, and then I want to be able to do what everyone else is doing, where they share, I guess they screen record. And I know how to Zoom call and do all that kind of stuff. I don't know how to do the recording. But anyhow, so let me get to the point. So I have, in 2 weeks after reviving my channel, my YouTube channel, I have received 12 subscribers. So I want to thank you if you're a new subscriber and you're coming on because of me, not so much for my dogs, but you're subscribing to be a part of my community. I thank you so much for doing that. And I'm at 799 subscribers right now. And let me just get down. It says my channel has received 11,000 views in the past year, which is 365 days. I wish I could flip this. Let me see if I can flip it. Hang on. Okay, so I'm just going to record with my phone off my laptop. So according to YouTube, if you want to get paid, which again, keep in mind that I didn't know these things. I don't know if it's changed. I think it's changed since when I first looked at this stuff, but I had been getting views on my videos and having subscribers subscribe, but I never got paid for it, never got monetized. But apparently there's this new rule that if you have 500 subscribers, which I do, I have 700, at least that, I have 799 subscribers, I could be eligible, and at least have 3 video uploads, which I do. That was my goal, to get that done in the last 2 weeks, so I did that. So I've met those requirements. And then I need to have at least one of these, which is 3,000 watch hours, public watch hours. So my videos have to be set to public. And I guess because there's 3 ways that you can set your videos. You can set it to watch, unlisted, or private. But if you set it to public and you meet this requirement, then you can be considered to get paid. Or unless I have 959 public shorts views with 3 million views. And I don't think, well, I don't have that. So I probably will qualify for this 3,000 watch hours. But yeah, so as I have reconnected to YouTube with the inspiration of DoDash, that inspiration that I received by her, I decided to really look at this and really think about, what are my numbers? And I've never really paid attention to this stuff. And you guys, I don't know how many videos I have. I don't know how to, I'm still learning how to understand all of this stuff. But, yeah, I want to thank everybody who subscribed to me, these 13 subscribers, in the last 28 days. And that's from literally the past 2 weeks. I've received these 13 subscribers in the last 2 weeks, which I think I was dead for the past year and a half, since what I had done was I'd actually turned off a lot of my videos and was just, not posting onto this channel anymore. I really want to focus on, my new brand, which is me. You know, I want to figure out how to inspire women. And let me just switch this back to me. Hang on 55 and how can I share, you know, how can I grow with you? You know, how can I learn to speak on camera, and how can I share the best practices that have helped me get through my life, you know, to where I'm at, which is 55. You know, I've worked in corporate America. I've worked in this, you know, worked for the state, and all the while, you know, I've always had a side hustle, and, you know, having to provide for the family, and, you know, helping them raise children. It hasn't always been easy. And, you know, not having parents to, you know, to support me. That's what I'm really trying to say, is that I am working on taking my life back. You know, younger years dream was to be a motivational speaker, and I never knew how to make that happen. And I feel like with this platform with YouTube, I could become that motivational speaker. I don't know how I'm going to make it happen, but I do want to practice. I like that, you know, I can practice on this medium and speak. You know, it kind of reminds me when I was in college, you know, when I was taking speech, you know, courses, you got to work on your presentation. You had to come up with a topic, and then you had to really, like, you know, come up with the outline and do all those things. And what I like about this platform, and or what I'm seeing from other YouTubers, is, you know, they're being real, they're being transparent, they're practicing, and, you know, getting each video done once a week, coming on here and, you know, do the work. Even if nobody's watching me, I'm doing this work. I want to get the video posted, and it is in my heart of hearts desires to come out and make these videos so that I can get the practice, like I said, and cultivate my message, whatever my message is going to be. And I want to believe that, you know, God is being patient and waiting on me, and that whatever message it is that comes out, it's supposed to be whatever it's supposed to be, right? Because God is going to use me in the way that I need to be used, not the way I think I should be used. I'm hopeful that I can get my channel going again, revived, and that it attracts the people that are supposed to be here watching me, and that at the same time I am getting this practice to to work on whatever it is that I'm supposed to be saying. I don't even know why I'm on here. So I'm just like, I've had a rough day today. I almost didn't make this video. I usually go Monday night shopping, or Monday. I usually do my shopping for Thanksgiving, because Thanksgiving is this Thursday. And I usually get out to the grocery store and get get that turkey purchase before, so that it can start defrosting before Thursday. And I just told my husband and my son, I said, look, I got to make a video, so let me get in here and make this video. And I worked on an outline. So this is the first step. I got an outline going. And I just want to thank you that if you're stuck this far with me, that you got something out of it. So if anything, just, you know, cheer me on as I figure out what my message is supposed to be and who my niche is supposed to be. So thanks for following, liking, whatever. If you have a comment, please, if you have some ideas, share those in the comment area. If you haven't subscribed, I would love that. I'm at 799 subscribers, and I am, you know, I feel so weird doing this video, but like I said, I just wanted to get this video up so that I can get a video posted for the week. Get this regular routine practice of speaking on camera, maybe making my dreams come true, even if it does take, you know, a year or whatever. All right, well, y'all have a good night. And if it's Thanksgiving and I haven't come back on here before then, y'all have a great Thanksgiving week if you're in the States. Bye.